Okay.
Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video and we're gonna play Scream Stream with my friend. Yeah. Why did I name
What
her cute girl? At mahalata na.
Basically, I don't have to, explain it now.
Ang lag! Ang lag! Ang lag! Ayun, finally. Nasaan ka? Ayun. Alag ka kabal. Tama niyo sa... Doo. Ang baho ng utot nila guys. Ano pare? Duo. Set 3,
Yes?
2, 1, go. New just kidding. But guys, yeah. We're gonna play this horror game and parang YouTubers kami dito sa Day 1. Baho ng utot nila guys sa lupot. Bilisan mo na. Sir, permission to fart, sir. Yo guys, if you just subscribe or watch my videos, yeah, parang tama ako. If you watch my video right now, come on, just subscribe. Support me.
Yeah. You better subscribe. Well, it's a good channel.
It's a mid, not good. Let's go.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, by the way, if you ask me why Armand made me girl,
Why
it's basically that
such a... Hello.
we are
Okay, naka-video na kami.
UIN2. Okay. You heard that right?
Yeah, meron siyang crush sa akin.
No, not just me.
Dude.
Yeah, bro, he does.
Is my flashlight broken?
No, definitely.
Can't
You can just
even-
switch if you want.
I can't open the flashlight.
I forgot how to open the flashlight.
Oh, shoot. Meron bang... Anong tae yan? Baho tae? Unggoy tae? Or unggoy... Ikaw sa flashlight, ako sa video, okay? Hala ka. I'm a new soul, Oh, shoot par. Talo ko na wala ka. Par ka man. Ladies first. Hosting parties in my dog working. Yeah, it's slow. Nasaan ka? It's slow. What ngayon ay this show is rated SPG, strict diploma. Just kidding. Basta PG, I think PG lang to. Trabotog. Oh, gay. Wait, explore pa tayo. Fa! Par, tulog! Meron pa tayong videotapes. Treat me like YT.
I swear if I fall down, I'm gonna die.
You gonna fall into me?
Yeah, I've already fallen for you multiple times.
Yo guys,
Four.
comment
Keep take four.
guys,
Four.
comment Susu say have freeze.
Yeah, bro.
Just kidding.
This problem is I have it. Just told me,
Okay, we're gonna get out of this because natakot yung partner ko.
yeah, partner. First partner really.
Kalbong masamang tao. Wait lang. Wait lang! Okay. Close the door.
Ooh. Chippy.
At eto na, ang kalbong masamang tao. Nagnakaw
Okay,
ng
we can
itlog.
more days found. Oh no, not found.
What you mean?
There are more days. There are more days to find out what's really going on down there.
IUP.
So guys,
At eto na, ang kalbong masamang tao. Nagnakaw ng itlog.
Lord, we're gonna talk about what's really happening.
Okay, we're gonna do this. Insert disk. Let's go. Hey! Uy, paano ako? Yung cameraman. Walang support sa akin, ha?
But I can support me like okay. You can just call me Newsweek or by my real name, Precious.
Just call me Sususe or
Arman.
yeah.
Yes.
It's so slow but still scary. Hey, that's the comments, not me. Ang late naman ng that's it. Now sleep.
Arman, what are you doing? What?
Kalbong masamang tao. But you don't even understand. The line is
Boy, you'll come with me. We're going to speak now. Okay. I'm gonna be the cameraman.
to, nag-sleep pa tayo. Ako na yung
Okay, let's do the cameraman.
Nag-sleep pa tayo. Or nag-na.
Yeah.
Akala ko ako yung cameraman.
Me, I'm gonna be the cameraman.
Okay, so ikaw lagi mauna, ha?
Okay.
I'm gonna get more flashlights, like every flashlight that I got.
I regret being the cameraman.
Why?
It means I'm gonna go first and I'm gonna go close to a monster.
Yeah, yung ginawa ko. Para makita
Yeah.
yung mukha.
Hmm.
Ano to, documentary?
Maybe. So, guys, if you have questions on our
Why your arm is on your neck?
Yeah, you too, bro. It's on your head.
Kasi POV. Ano to? At eto
Oh my
na,
gosh.
ang mabahong utot. Pare, kung mauna, ladies first.
No.
Wala. Ladies first. Wala ka. Ladies first.
Please.
Kabad! Ikaw nga mauna. Wala pa kang monster, oh. Sige, sabay tayo.
Okay, fine.
3, 2, 1, go! Come on, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. You know that song? Okay, let's go. Ito na. Ang mabahong ito. Nasaan ka? We're exploring. Tuturut Dora. I'm the Glock. Wala, bakit yung flashlight ko hindi gumagana? Ikaw nga mauna.
Ako din, hindi ko
Ayun, gumana. But I'm in a struck fever.
Look behind you.
Pare, what happened to you? She can't jump, right? Please! Sabi hindi kaya. Doon naka half health ako. Come on. Halika. Takbo. 3, 2, 1, go. Dude!
Yeah, we come to jump.
Dude, ikaw nga full health pa. Ako half.
Maybe.
Ikaw mag-distract. Ikaw.
I'm gonna be the cameraman. I'm gonna be the cameraman.
Na, bro. Ay, sige. Oh, shoot.
Turtle man! The horse.
Yo, par, look at the camera.
Hi. Bro, this is turtle chicken.
I just wanna get high on my lovers.
You my lover.
You want to see something cool? Pag namatay ako, kunin mo yung camera, okay? Oh, shoot! Ah, pare! That hurts.
That's over. I'm gonna die.
Wait, is that the Demogorgon
Looks like it.
from Stranger Things? Ikaw ba una, ladies first? Shoot!
That thing can jump. Not gonna lie.
Okay. Wala na tayong video. Let's go. Nag-explore naman tayo, so... Ba't tayo na dito pa? Hindi eh. One more day left. Pare, one more day left. Konti pala yung viewers natin. Maralo sa'yo, God. $11 pa lang yung viewers. Call Adventure is calling. Ayun, dumadami na. She's floating in heaven. Mamaya makikita yung tatlong monsters. Ayun, dumadami pa. I think we're gonna finish this. My name and A70. Hey, we passed the views. We passed the
Tonight,
views. I'm gonna blind you with my flashlight. Let's go. Ang ginagawa mo. Hoy! Ayoko na. Ang baho.
Nah, just saying.
Ako cameraman ulit. Ganda kasi ng video ko. I risk naman to. I risk item. How much do we have? How much money do I have? How much money do we have? 500. Gadgets, cash, bandage, music, and credits.
I have 500.
Sa akin mag full on extreme flashlight order.
I'm gonna buy strong flashlight.
Dude, saan yung sa akin? Ayun. Dude, sa akin yan.
Hey, I ordered it.
Dude, ako yung nag-order yung first. Sa'yo yung second eh. Bakit pera ko nag-drain? Sige, halika na.
Yeah, but
Halika na.
okay, let's go.
We'll go black. Oh my God. Daming noise. Let's go!
Okay, let's go. Oh no.
Okay, pare. Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo! Huwag ka mga takot! Dito lang eh!
Okay. Where's the fourth man?
What? It's the fork man? It's the Diddler! He's stuck.
In where?
Pare, come on, halika!
Fine, I'm gonna run there.
Confess your love, just please, just say you trust your love, just let me just say.
What's up there, guys?
What the? Okay, let's go,
What do you mean?
Okay, let's go. Sige yan.
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go. Ito na yung last day naman natin sa laro na ito. Sige, let's go. Par, dito. Okay, walang no. Ikaw muna! Come on, let's go, let's go. There's working gears. Teka. Ay, ikaw mauna. Ikaw nga mauna.
I can't.
Why? You scared?
Yeah. Of course, I'm scared.
Don't be scared. I'm here.
Oh.
I thought the ladder is real. Dude, ba't wala yung flashlight ko? Nasaan ka?
I need dancing.
Partulog, yung flashlight ko sira.
Here, I have another one. Magic.
Ikaw nga mauna kasi ikaw yung merong working flashlight. Ako kasi meron lang.
Not two flashlights. Here. Here. Let's see.
Par. Ikaw nga yung sa flashlight. Pare! Come on! Ikaw mauna, wala akong flashlight.
Naman. No.
Meron?
Nothing.
Par, come on. Ikaw nga mauna, hindi ako.
My battery died. Hey, where are you?
Dude, I'm here.
Where?
Dude, what was that?
I'm right here.
We got a monster. Finally. What was that? It's the sneaky man guy. Shoot. Let's run. Run! It's the Diddler! Fresh meat. Ow, fresh meat. Fresh meat. Fresh meat. Par, tulong. Pare!
I'm here.
I'm gonna die!
Run!
I can't! My...
No. Where's the menu?
I think we're cooked.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go.
Where's the exit? Where's the exit? But where's the exit? I'm gonna die too.
I do not know.
I forgot. I'm scared now, Par. I'm scared. You died?
Yes.
I'm losing oxygen. No. This could be the end of everything.
Who's there? I know the entrance. There.
Talk about a minute. Why do we do?
Not there. The other side.
My battery died. Yes.
There.
Tut, tut, tururut.
Am I gonna get burned?
Bigla namatay.
I died to fork with that.
That was close, right?
Yeah. I think the sacrifice for the house. Okay, I got revived.
Ano yan? 2-time?
Yeah. Lift earlier.
Onions.
There you are.
Alam mo, nagiging ilaw ko na lang yung yung camera.
Look at me, a bit.
Okay, ito na. It goes so fast, bro.
Who said with a Sigma?
What?
Who said with the Sigma? Another one.
What the Sigma? Nagsiskip ako.
Bro,
What
this
the
is more like
Sigma?
a corner, you know.
Nakikita mo, 1 health ako. Na risk na amin to, ah.
Yeah. And I basically died.
Nakita mo yan, yung... nakita mo yan?
Yeah?
Yung background, nakita mo yung kulay itim?
Yeah, I saw that.
Ayun lang yung natira. 1K viewers kaysa sa... Ano to? Eh, nice Jordans, by the way. Ho ho ho! Gatos me. Okay. You contract with the stream screen. Chapter 2 location backrooms. What? Chapter 2?
Oh no.
No, no. We're cooked, we're cooked. We're absolutely cooked. Yung first chapter, ang hirap na nga. 3K! 3K, you want us to get 3K viewers?
Yeah, we can do that. We can do that.
Protect the cameraman at all costs. AKA me.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna set. What am I? Azure in Empire? By the way,
Yo, this so...
oh wait, let me turn on my phone. Okay, by the way, yun.
What the? Video and yan. Shoot! Ano yun?
Forkman.
Wait, nandiyan si Forkman? Ay, Forkman. What's up, Forkman? Hey, don't stare at me like that.
Yo, bro, Forkman, that's my husband.
Yo, I miss watching FGTV, bro. It's my childhood. He gave me a good childhood.
Forkman. Don't you stare at my Forkman like that, or else I'm gonna.
What was that? Ah!
You done so much damage, bro. You don't have a. What the hell is that black thing?
Pause!
You look familiar.
You look like, who's that? Socks for one. Yeah, I think bro's from Socks for One, right?
Listen, thank you. Forkman, why the hell did you tell me to like that?
Yo, par, nasan ka? I'm gonna sacrifice. Get the camera, okay? Oh, finish na.
Give me the camera.
Wala, tapos na. Doon na tayo. Okay, 2 days na lang. Kaya ba natin to? Kasi naka 1K tayo in 3 days.
Yeah.
Ay, ako na dito. Ako na. Gusto mo upgrade natin yung mga items natin. Ayan na. At ito na. Ang baho chichi.
Is this the pool room?
How does Lucia do it? Oy, paano ako? Sinusupport mo yung partner ko, ba't paano ako ha?
Don't worry, I'm still your partner.
Sino pumabaw? Sino Diyo? Yeah. Shoot. We're getting 1K! Yes! We only need 3 more! I mean, no, 2 more.
Yo, Zodian said, man, yeah, brother. Workman kinda. What? You're gonna call Sportsman hot?
He almost killed me. I mean, eliminate, not kill. But hindi naman to family friendly naman eh.
Okay.
But still, let's go. Okay. You didn't see that coming.
I think you will do it out now.
No.
One day left and we're almost done, okay? Alright? Okay? Alright.
Nawala yung bola.
Okay? Alright.
Wala, let me get the...
Okay? Alright. What the hell, bro?
Sa akin yan, oy. Lag
Nagulat ako.
Lagi kasi nawawala. Much better.
Bili akong bedkit para sa'yo.
Sige, kasi ako yung lagi na... Medkit, 100 lang. Wag mo i-waste lahat ng pera natin. Paano naman siya? Iniwan ka naman para sa pera.
Bro.
God, press the button! Pranking my dog.
Come to my confession.
Okay, parang dito backrooms. Backrooms pa rin. Yeah. Did you see that?
What? What did you see?
It's still the backrooms. Shoot, pare. Ayun o, nakikita ba?
Yes.
You distract it.
Oh.
Ay, wait, wala naman. Sige, doon tayo, doon. Nakita mo doon. Okay, go. Ikaw mag-flashlight, ako mag-video.
It's black. It's
What?
black.
What you mean? You like black people? Shoot, moreno ako.
You're not. You're so black.
Parang kailangan natin ng... halika na. Yo, ano yung kanta na yun? Tagalog, yung sandali lang.
Are you still recording, by the way?
Yo, halika na. Go. Let's go. Let's go.
It's after you.
It's after what? Sandali lang. Nasa CR ako. Shoot! Dami! Mungguling ko na yun! Ah! Tulong! My fork bad! It's the diddler! Bakit may dalawa?
Why are they doing this? They're black. Why are they black?
No.
I'm seeing this.
Yo, parang ka sacrifice.
Okay. Welcome to Fire.
Tama na. Go, 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 go! Pare, hinabol ako ng 3 monster.
I got chased by 4 monsters.
Sa akin, mata, spider, at fork. Mabuti wala si Freddy Fazbear. Or. Ay,
Did you forget that we're recording?
yeah.
Okay. After this, we should probably...
Yo, we have a grill. Na-realize ko lang we have a grill.
Yeah, we do.
Let me see what's in there. There's nothing inside of it. Walang nasa loob. Yan na. Lagi lang siya. Ayun, finally ako. I hope Sususoy gets out alive. Finally, may isa sa akin. Tumami. Turn off the lights.
Okay. I'm quite...
Diba? Diba par tayo? Maganon. 1K ulit na viewers. Okay, we did only one more. Gusto mo ikaw mag-video?
Yes, yes.
That means ikaw yung mauuna kaysa ako. Sure ka?
Yes.
Okay, let's sleep driving with my darling faster than I should.
Why am I always singing old songs, bro?
Ako naman yung healer mo. 9 all to highness. Just kidding. Sayang wala yung isa naming ka-friend aka si Ivan. At wala.
Okay.
Umiba na siya. Wala. Ayaw na niya maglaro na... First thing, ayun yung isang rule. Game together. Remember?
Yeah.
Ba't hindi nag-play together, ha?
Sometimes we play together.
Wala na. We lost one of them.
Don't worry. We're always friends.
How could we go back to being friends when we just shared in bed? Yo, kailangan mo save mo rin yung pag-video. Parang sa akin, nakita mo.
Yeah.
Okay, ikaw na. Ikaw mauna!
Ikaw mo na.
Pare, ikaw
Kasi
mauna.
kayo may ano.
Pare, dito! Dito! Videohan mo!
Yeah. And with you.
Bakit may dalawa? Videohan mo dalawa.
Ooh. Oh, look at that. Okay.
It's a black one. Wait, pause! Yo!
No! I saw that. You just perfect. Are you lonely?
Pare, 3, 2, 1, go. Where's the stars? I am Trackstar. Keep up. I forgot that I have a med kit. Revive me! Revive! Revive me!
Is it good?
Revive me! I have 2 med kits. Well,
What?
why you're not reviving me? Get my flashlight. It's good. Narealize ko lang my arm is ripped off. Yeah, my head and arm. Yeah, my head is ripped off and my arm is. Okay.
I'm gonna call that the Hookman.
What you mean, hooker man?
You're the hooker. You're the hooker because you hooked me into loving you. Treat me like I see.
Tapos na. Last day na lang. Eh, 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 eh. Eh, 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 eh.
Ay, hindi pa nakakadaan dito.
Hindi pa, doon pa.
Dyan lang.
Doon pa.
Limat sa dami.
Sa.
Titignan ko nga kung ano mo.
Okay guys, but still we're back in this place. Tut tut tut. Tung.
Buti. Hindi ba kulo? Hindi naman mainit.
Hindi naman po.
At saka may root beer ka dyan, ha?
Wait lang po.
may
Wait lang
ka
po.
pala.
Wait lang po.
Bakit?
Naka-video.
Eh, bakit ako? Bakit maririnig pa ako?
Opo, maririnig ka po.
Oh my God! Lagi namamasaan ako cabinet ko. Pag ganito na lang gagawin ko, i-adjust ko na lang yung mga ano dyan, tapos dyan mo na ilagay lahat ng mga Lego mo, ha? Aalisin ko yung mga figurine ko dyan. Ang pangit! Pinaglalagyan mo ng figurine yung mga Lego yung figurine ko. Ang ibig sabihin,
Ano figurine mo po?
figurine yan, yung mga figurine na yan, yung mga jar, yung mga ganyan. Aalisin ko, tapos dyan mo na ilagay yung mga Lego mo, okay?
Okay. Ano po, mamaya?
Is that your mommy?
Naka-video pa.
Is that your mommy?
No, si Tita Sharon.
Yeah, just
Oh,
came
the
from
one
jet.
I talked to.
Hi. I have still jet lag. Are you precious?
Yes, po. I am.
Sino ba yan?
Nasabi na nga yung pangalan po.
Sino?
Kakasmate ko.
Ano name? What's your name? Babae ba lalaki?
Babae.
Ano pangalan? Mag-hi lang kay Precious.
Sabi na kayong pangalan.
Jacob, iniinom mo talaga yung root beer na buong.
Minsan.
Pero nag-water ka naman. Dapat nag-water.
Oo, nagwa-water naman. Naka-video nga po. Naka-video po yun sa akin.
Ano naman yun? Si Precious naman yun.
Hindi po naka-video para sa...
Ano kay video?
Naka-video nga po. Kasi para sa YouTube channel. Yes.
May Destiny Gundam ka?
Pa, Gundam. Bakit? Ayun o.
Saan gagalo niyan?
Sa Toy Kingdom. Yeah, 449.
Ako ba nagagalo sa niyan?
Si Kuya AJ kasi nagiging sad po ako sa... Kasi hindi nakatuloy sa movie. Sa FNAF 2 movie. Kasi
Ay, anong papanoorin niyo dapat nun?
FNAF 2 movie. Ba't
FNAF?
kailangan... ba't kailangan 13? 12 pa lang ako.
Saan sinabi mo 13 ako?
Pag 13, kailangan ko ng ID. Ba't magiging malilito rin? Kasi nasa leeg na ako ni Kuya EJ.
Saan
Malilit.
ginawa yun nila? Nagpunta na lang Kinat pa kay Kinat.
Opo.
Hindi kayo nakasama ng Bicol Ride?
Hindi.
Sasama ka ba kay mami ngayon sa Bicol or you wanna stay here with me?
Hindi ako sure.
Bakit? Stay ka na lang muna dito, tayo na lang munang magsama.
Ba't yung sub... Ayan, sige na. Kasi pag sa Bicol kasi nagpa-flood doon sa maglalaro-laro
Hindi ka pwede
maglalaro-laro
mag-flood.
lang.
Hindi ka pwede
So,
maglalabas may flood.
wala, hindi pwede.
Oo. Pwede na lang tayo.
Oo.
Mag-food.
Okay guys, nakabalik ulit kami dito. Natapos lang sa usapan. Let's go!
Arman,
Ano?
dito to share. Next of yun.
Ha?
Ito yung kinausap ko dati, no? Mga August ata yun.
Yeah, galing sa Jeddah, ibang bansa. I mean, hindi ibang bansa, but sa ibang place ng Pilipinas. Ayun. Ay, sa akin yan!
Oh. Okay.
Nasa parang kailangan pa ng airplane.
Is she going to your birthday?
Hindi
Like,
sure.
I was waiting to...
Okay guys, nakabalik ulit kami dito. Natapos lang kasi pag-uusap. Family member by the way. At ito ay crush ko. Yes.
We're basically lovers on how...
Sometimes she goes freaky mode on me.
Yeah, I agree.
Yo, look. Tube. Look.
It's the ab. It's the
Is this where 1X got made?
Yes.
Wala na. Ruin the mood. A mood. A mood. Saan ka? Kala ko backrooms to, hindi specimen zero.
Na natin doon.
Kala ko backrooms to, hindi specimen zero.
Nakalaro ka na na.
Oo, dati.
Sam.
No,
I love that game. Baka makalimutan mo na ng buhay, ah.
Ha?
Baka makalimutan mo ng buhay.
Ayun, naka-video nga, I forgot. Nasaan ka? Ay. Di...
Saan yung camera?
Siya, ikaw... Par, likodan mo! Tira mo to guys, tira mo to guys.
Dead end.
Oh, angle break! Yo, par, sa yung camera, ito. Par, yung camera! Ako mag-distract. Kunin mo, par. Kunin mo camera. Pare, kunin mo camera. Takot ka na agad.
I'm stuck with a balloon guy.
What you mean, balloon guy? Is there balloon
There's
boy?
a clown in here.
Ah! It's balloon boy from FNAF. Or Look at me now, prisoner inside of a body I possessed. However, ever darkness brings, covered blood it's sin.
Is that a gesture?
Pomni. Dun.
No, bro. I'm thinking about gesture 2 times.
Wala na, puro 2 time naman to.
So by me,
Par,
wait, let me
Follow
just
me.
I'm
Can
gonna
you
get
see?
the
when this follow. This is another idea. Par, nasan ka? that? Hey guys, comment I'm brave. I mean, be brave, Susu says 08. Because I am scared right now, bro. I'm scared. Look at those soulless eyes. Get up! Ah, stranger danger! Stranger danger! Stranger danger! Okay, let's go. Don't mind that, guys. Eating
Did you record?
tao. By the way, guys, we lost one of our members. Like, he doesn't want to play with us.
Yeah. It's gonna be Ivan.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna kick him out.
We have to. Okay.
Dude. Hey, team. Dude, ano to? Yung nakikita ko, bakit?
Me too, bro.
Yo guys, nakikita ninyo to? What's happening? Ano naman, right?
So guys, comment down below if you have questions about us. Like, yeah, we don't really mind. We can answer them in the next video.
Yeah, just comment below what's the questions.
Yeah, it could be between me and Arman. Yeah, also basically.
Saka baka bug lang yung go to bed. 3K? Dude, ang bilis. Ikaw naman. Gusto mo ikaw? Naman, yung magiging cameraman.
Yeah, you saw nothing. You saw nothing.
Good. Yo guys, think of what she did to me. I swear, what's next? You're gonna have a body pillow of me. Please don't. By the way, there is no merch because I'm not that popular yet. And
Yeah. So basically,
if I got
when you keep
if I just got popular, like getting money out of YouTube, pwede na rin.
by the way, where's the window, okay? And comment down below where you're from.
No. No, wag ganon, wag ganon. Don't comment below where you're from, okay? Don't trust her. Pag ganon. What if she sacrificed?
Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Man,
What you mean Spider-Man? Where?
here! I can hear webs.
Webs, come here. Halika, sama tayo. Ah! Tulong!
Entering.
You just
I'm gonna
stand
get the
there.
camera. I'm gonna get the camera. Wait, I'm gonna wait for a moment.
Ikaw ha. Ganyan ka na ha. Sabi ko, follow
Spider-Man
me.
is basically getting on my nerves.
Yung sinabi ko, follow me.
That's why I said run.
Why don't hindi ko narinig yun.
Where I just sacrificed my partner.
On Halloween, he will take his candy, he will take the candy that me a black, he will take his candy. Big D ready. Ayan, big I forgot.
Bro, I can't. I'm getting jump scared.
Oh, so high. Hello guys, welcome to my Minecraft video and
Okay, I'm gonna get the camera.
Get the camera. Get the camera. Mayday, mayday, the ship is sinking. They're all around me, circling like vultures. I wanna break me and so. Yo, sogayo, tidadadushe, todo. I swear, bro. Yo, my flashlight.
Yeah, I have your flashlight. Thank you. Don't worry.
Come on, explore. Explore mo yung dead body. Tira mo yung, lagay mo yung video.
Earlier, he's dead. I don't know what to do now.
Okay, turn off mo yung camera. Mawiwaste yung... Okay, explore that room. Explore the room. Pag get in mo, so okay, stop ka ng video. So, go to that room, yung nakita mo. Huwag dyan, may spider. Oh, video that. Video yung pagpunta niya. So, dude, come on, go. Ano yun? Anong binibidyoan mo? Anong binibidyoan mo?
A video of me running and Spider-Man posted this. That's Spider-Man.
That's I-Man. Hey guys, if you just here's one thing, okay? Comment below the questions and what you think about the video or thinking about the okay lang mag-bash, okay lang naman yung haters, wala naman akong masasabi lang doon, basta lang mag-video. Okay, that's it. And
I think that's enough for me.
ilan? 12K. can fly, he can fly, he can fly. What the? Guys, do you see this? How am I still here? He can fly, he can fly, he can fly. I died. One more day left. But you don't even say the one that you think it's safe for you. There is no one talking to you. It's so menacing.
Menacing means like another term is scary. I think.
The spider
Or
is attacking me
terrifying.
aggressively. Nakikita yung dead body ka. Boo!
Leave me
Boo!
alone, please leave me alone, leave me alone, leave
Boo! Boo!
Uh-huh.
That's it, dude. Konti lang viewers.
Leave me alone, please leave me alone.
Dude, ang konti lang viewers. Wala, hindi natin kaya tumatapos. Pare, wala. GG's.
Good game
Anong
na.
nangyari sa bed na ito? Guys, look. Anong nangyari sa bed?
I don't know.
Nawala yung, natanggal yung blankets niya. He can fly, he can fly, he can fly.
I swear, if you die one more time,
I swear,
I'm gonna be the
just
one
buy a
who's gonna
med
kill you.
kit.
Yeah, I already have a med kit. But you can heal each other.
Why did you not give me a med kit? Yo, saan yung flashlight ko? Alam ko na sa'yo. Flashlight ko, nasaan? Flashlight ko! Oy! Flashlight ko! Precious! Flashlight ko! Bibili ako, I swear. I buyed. Wala na. Too late. Okay, one last day. Kailangan natin makuha. Saan na yung medkit mo?
It's the magic word.
Na, I'd win.
No. What's the magic word? Word. It's still there.
Why? So it's still the same map?
Yeah.
Para come here.
Wait, let me just.
Wag mo iwanin ako, parang siya.
Black man.
What?
There's a black man in there.
Nah, he's not black, he's purple. But
Yeah.
that reminds me of William Afton. William
Okay.
Appleton. Yeah, he's an eggplant.
Bro, the jester. The jester is breaking.
He is the blackest. My dress is hurting. My feet can't go out of bed.
Record.
Yeah, puro monsters. At eto na. Ang mabahong jester. Hindi nagliligo for 10 days. Pare, come on. Let's go. Let's run. Ito lang masasabi ko. Keep up. Come on, pare. I'm distracting them right now. Oh, the jester is much faster than I think. Yeah, the jester is much faster. Spider! No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Absolute, I'm gonna die.
You died.
He can fly! He can fly! He can fly!
I'm gonna.
Nah, I'd win.
I swear, if you die again, bro. Bro!
Tung 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 sahur sahur din don marin din don lili lalila okalero okala.
Come on.
It's not a spider. It's a hybrid. It's a hybrid, bro. It's an ant and a spider at the same time. I choose light.
Medkit ka muna.
Wala na yung video. Wala, 0 views tayo, 0. Talo na. But you don't even say. Just when I talk to you, a cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I say like but don't you feel it to confess I love you from the start? Confess I love you. Just thinking of you. God! Baho ng utot nilagay sa lubot. Baka nasa next na tayo. Ano? Okay, ito na. At ito na. Ang mabahong jester. Ay, wala pa. It's the eggplant man. 1K na? Wow, ang bilis. 2K, okay.
Anyone?
Sino yun? Nagsabi. $4K, come on, give me 5, give me 5. Going once. Going twice. Oh, dumagdag. Oh, 5K. Going once. Going twice. And sold to Mr. Nick. Yo, I think we can do this, bro. Nakaya natin 12. Oh, shoot. Oh, he beat me. 15K viewers. Dude. Ang bilis, come on, let's go. Hey. But you're never gonna fall too slow. $44? The library? Why Well, this reminds me of Lethal Company. Yes. The game, Lethal Company, if you know that. Ako ulit cameraman.
Of course. I'm not brave enough.
Ako ngayon nag-juke sa kanila. Ayaw mo ikaw?
Ano yun? Babak food. So,
Big top, phenomenalist. Large percentage. Hello, welcome to Studying Up School. And you failed. Well, this reminds me of Repo, right?
yeah.
Pare, tulong. Shoot, eggplant man! Purple guy! Scooby-Doo! The Rizzler! Negro! The Big Bad Wolf!
The big buffalo.
The Big Black Wolf!
Ooh, the spotting school. Look.
Did I? Nah, bro. Nah. But ain't no rat by far. Ano yon? Par he explodes.
Daddy, look. Look here.
Where? Why? Bakit?
The spawn.
Par, come on, let's go, let's go. Ano to? Secret room?
It's the spawn.
Pare. Secret room.
It's the spawn.
Basta, halika na. Ikaw first.
I wish I had a dagger here.
Dude, stop. You're not two time.
I'm gonna sacrifice my partner.
Dude, if you sacrifice me, I'm gonna.
I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about Ivan.
I don't wanna sacrifice a friend.
Mm.
Why this reminds me of Repo. But if I die, you're gonna leave without me. Jester. Pomni. Dun. Dun, 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 dun. That ain't Pomni. That's Freaky Pom. Monsters. How could I feel? Shoot. Par, help me.
Where are you?
Dude! Nandoon ako sa room. Finalo mo nga ako. Tulong! Para to camera. Ayun nga. Sabi ko ito ka. Sabi ko ito yung camera. Kunin mo. Wala nang video na filled up ko na. That's what she said. The skies. The skyscrapers closing. Go. The man in the city.
You?
The black guy in the...
I don't know. We
The key holder. What you mean? What will your reaction if you kiss your crush?
Really happy. Really happy.
You didn't see that.
I saw that, bro. What's it, bro?
Nah, bro. I didn't. Dude, you guys should see this. Ang bilis! Ang bilis, naka 1K na agad. Ha, 4K na agad, first lang. Five K going once, going twice. Oops, may dumagdag. May dumadagdag pa. Yo, ano yung nakikita ko? Yo, na-realize mo si Trama,
Yeah.
yung greetings sa friends. Si Iza yan, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, para I think itapos muna natin to. Itapos natin to, saka I think pag namatay tayong dalawa, ayun, i-end ko na, or pag natalo tayo.
Okay.
POV, kiss your friend, kiss your homie, good night.
We're not just friends. We're more than friends.
Confess your losses, they say confess your losses. I see you. I see you. I see you. What you doing? Ano yan? Anong ginagawa mo?
I don't know.
At ito na ay isang bata na ayaw makatulog.
Let me make an announcement. Good night. Lover.
The MCC, look at me, Emily. That's really...
Oh my god, my. Oh,
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Oh, Happy New Year.
we wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas.
Mabuti wala na yung Christmas.
There is blue.
Yo, na-realize ko wala akong flashlight.
I have one.
Wait,
This is so dark.
Why is it so dark? This is so bad for me, bro. Wait, there's a flashlight.
I have an extra. I have a. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Now, where are you? Okay. Shoot! Par! Takbo! Takbo! Takbo yung Demigorgon! Dude! Stuck ako sa stairs! Si Demigorgon! Sige, halika pa, halika pa. Kainis si Demigorgon. Dito ba? Ano si Demigorgon? Nakikita ninyo guys at matakbo ako. Bakit? Kasi mabilis siya. Because he's fat? No, he's not fat. Ah! Pare. Tulong. Saan na siya? I can't. Dude, we're full. Pull the lever. Get out. Just get out. Ang strong! Half a health na ako! Ikaw maglakay.
Two for half a health.
Pare, ikaw maglakay.
Like you. Be like work.
Ano sinasabi lang ito? I am bigger I no. What? No, Shawty got the melody. Shawty's in a melody in my head. And it's all the na everything. Ano pare? Saan yung CD mo? Where's the CD?
I dropped it on the floor. Where is it? Where is it? Where? Is the game shooting?
Okay, guys, and now goodbye na kasi we can't finish it without the CD, right? Okay, goodbye guys, and like and subscribe. If you don't, you don't. That's it. If you don't want to like and subscribe, just don't. Yeah, that's it. Right, Precious?
You can see and because
Okay, now goodbye and peace out.